Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Kosh. Today's video is special because of two reasons. First reason, it's about Mother's Day. Second, it's my first collaboration with a YouTube friend Swati. Her channel Absolutely Creative includes art and craft, cooking, baking, vlogging, rangoli, painting, etc. Her channel link is in my description below. Check that out and subscribe. So, we came up with an idea to create something that is adorable gift combo for mothers on their special day. Check out Swati's Mother's Day hugging greeting card. The link is in description below. Here I am going to share personalized Mother's Day gift DIY ideas. The first one is beautiful coffee mug DIY. Take a deep bowl with enough water to dip the coffee mug. I took room temperature water. Pour the nail paint slowly in water one by one. Now create a design using toothpick or something like that to give it a marble look. Now dip the coffee mug to get the gorgeous design on it. The mug will not be microwave or dishwasher safe after this, but good enough for nice and hot coffee. Let it dry upside down until nail paint is hard and it's completely dried. Now write the message with a permanent marker. Second is hand painted succulent pot. For base color, paint it white and let it dry. Then give 2 coatings of yellow for better finishing. another pot prepared in similar way for my son's Teacher Appreciation Day. In third DIY, I tried leaf stamping and potato stamping with fabric paint. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my upcoming videos.